Synthesis. Definition. Synthesis means the combination of two or more simple sentences into one sentence. This sentence may be simple, compound or complex. दो या इससे ज़्यादा फिक्रों का कॉम्बिनेशन सिनेथेसिस कहलाता है। यानी सिनेथेसिस वाला फिक्रा सिंपल, कंपाउंड और कॉम्प्लेक्स हो सकता है। We combine two or more simple sentences. For example, he saw me, he ran away. Seeing me, he ran away. Simple sentence. He saw me and ran away. Compound sentence. When he saw me, he ran away. Complex sentence. Simple sentence क्या होता है? If a sentence expresses a single thought and has only one finite verb, it is called a simple sentence. यानी ऐसा फिक्रा जिसमें सिर्फ एक सिंगल ख्याल, एक सिंगल थॉट पेश किया जाए, वो सिंपल सेंटेंस कहलाता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अली गोज़ टू कॉलेज, फहद हैज़ completed his work, सारा हैज़ बीन वर्किंग सिंस मॉर्निंग। कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाते हुए प्रिंसिपल क्लास के साथ कोऑर्डिनेट क्लास को कंबाइन किया जाता है। इसकी डेफिनेशन है, इफ़ ए सेंटेंस एक्सप्रेसेस मोर थॉट्स देन वन और हैज़ वन प्रिंसिपल क्लास एंड वन और मोर कोऑर्डिनेट, इट इज़ कॉल्ड ए कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। यानी एक सेंटेंस जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा ख्यालात पेश किए जाएं और उस ख्यालात में एक प्रिंसिपल क्लास, एक या उससे ज़्यादा कोऑर्डिनेट क्लास हो, तो वो कंपाउंड सेंटेंस कहलाता है। अदरवाइज और, नॉर, बट एंड आर यूज्ड इन इट। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही केम एंड मेट मी, आई वॉन्ट टू सी हिम बट he was not there. Work hard, otherwise you will fail. कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में एक से ज़्यादा ख्यालात पेश किए जाते हैं जिनमें एक प्रिंसिपल क्लास, एक या उससे ज़्यादा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लास मौजूद होते हैं, तो ऐसे सेंटेंस को कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहा जाता है। आमतौर पर व्हाट, बिकॉज, इफ़, व्हेन, व्हाई, हु, वेयर जैसे अल्फाज कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस में इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई नो वेयर ही लिव्स, गॉड हेल्प्स दोज हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स, ही कैन नॉट कम बिकॉज ही इज़ इल। डिफरेंट मेथड्स टू कंबाइन sentences into one sentence. We have 3 columns: methods, separate sentences and combined sentences. By using a participle. पार्टिसिपल कहते हैं जब फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब के साथ हम ing का एडिशन करें, और ऐसे सेंटेंस जिनमें पार्टिसिपल इस्तेमाल किया जाए। सेपरेट सेंटेंस, ही वॉज टायर्ड, ही ले डाउन टू रेस्ट। कंबाइंड सेंटेंस, बीइंग टायर्ड, he lay down to rest. By using an infinitive, फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब से पहले जब टू लगाया जाए तो उसको इन्फिनेटिव कहा जाता है। By using an infinitive, we have a separate sentence. I want to see him, I shall go to his home. Combined sentence, I shall go to his home to see him. We have another sentence, I have no money, I cannot buy this book. Combined sentence, I have no money to buy this book. By using an adverb or adverb phrase, यानी ly का इस्तेमाल जब हम करते हैं इन नो टाइम के साथ, तो वो adverb का इस्तेमाल होता है। By using an adverb or adverb phrase, his father died, it was unfortunate. Combined sentence, Unfortunately, his father died. I finished my work. It took me no time. Combined sentence. I finished my work in no time. By using noun or phrases in apposition, Ali is my brother. He is a brilliant student. Combined sentence. Ali, my brother, is a brilliant student. We have another sentence. Lahore is the capital of the Punjab. It is a beautiful city. Lahore, the capital of the Punjab, is a beautiful city. By using some conjunction, he is poor. He is neatly dressed. Combined sentence. He is poor, but he is neatly dressed. We have another example. He was late. He was punished. Combined sentence. He was late, therefore he was punished. Another example. He is a good player. He is a good student. Combined sentence. He is a good player as well as a good student. Don't tell a lie. You will be punished. Combined sentence. Don't tell a lie, otherwise you will be punished. By using a noun clause, he will pass. It is certain. It is certain that he will pass is combined sentence. She is doing something, no one knows what. No one knows what she is doing, combined sentence. By using an adjective clause, I have a horse. It runs very fast. I have a horse which runs very fast. The man has been caught. He stole my purse. The man who stole my purse has been caught. By using an adverb clause, he did not come to college. He was ill. He did not come to college because he was ill is combined sentence. He saw a lion. He at once ran away. As soon as he saw the lion, he ran away. Combined sentence. He ran fast. He wanted to catch the train. Separate sentence. He ran fast so that he might catch the train. Combined sentence.